Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to clone apps on the Poco C71. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree and continue and tap on continue. Now from here, just tap on while using the app. Now just tap on allow. From here, just tap on allow all. Now just tap on start and tap on add to parallel space. Now just tap on accept. Now as you can see, it automatically created a clone version of the YouTube app and the Google Chrome app. Just like that. Now if you want to create a clone of another app, just tap on add app. Now from here, just select the app which you want to create a clone of. Just like that. Now once you have selected the apps which you want to create a clone of, just tap on add to parallel space. And as you can see, we have successfully created a clone version of the selected apps. Just like that. And this is how you can clone apps on the Poco C71. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.